With cyber attacks and breaches becoming the norm, it is more important than ever to make sure that you have the appropriate tools, the appropriate processes, and also the personnel in order for you to identify vulnerabilities and to ensure on a regular basis that your security controls are working. When you perform a penetration testing or an ethical hacking assessment, you try to find as many vulnerabilities as you can and then exploit those vulnerabilities. And of course, depending on the scope of your engagement, you can also perform post-exploitation steps to demonstrate data exfiltration, also to demonstrate how you can actually move laterally within the organization, so demonstrate lateral movement, and how a true attacker could compromise your organization. You need to conduct regular testing of your systems and networks to be able to determine the weaknesses in the infrastructure. That means hardware, software, different applications, and also the people in order to develop your security controls. Now, you do this to make sure that the security controls that you have implemented are effective. Also to test applications that are often avenues of an attack. Also, you can perform penetration testing because of regulatory compliance. So you may be under a specific regulation like HIPAA, PCI, or many others that may be required for you to show that you conduct penetration testing on a regular basis. Now, in some cases, actually, these regulations require for you to get a third-party assessor. So, that's when pen testing companies actually come into play, or perhaps actually, in most cases, you actually have a red team within the organization. And a red team is basically a team dedicated for offensive security or, to perform penetration testing within your infrastructure. Now, that leads me to the next topic. Basically, pen testing should be conducted on a regular basis. And this is actually to detect either known or unknown vulnerabilities, right? The minimum frequency depends on the type of testing being conducted and the target of the test. In-depth penetration testing or ethical hacking assessments should be done at least once a year, right? However, you can actually have automated testing or internal vulnerability scanning on a weekly or a monthly basis, and that all depends on the organization and also depends on the actual environment, right? Now, this video course is actually part of a series, right? In the Enterprise Penetration Testing and Continuous Monitoring video course, we went over automation and how to perform continuous monitoring for enterprise vulnerability management. In this video course, we will concentrate on how to perform penetration testing for web and modern applications.